Newton's welding program, as well as I think the machining program and a lot of other programs, are pretty top tier in the state. I think you'd find that we compare to a lot of major schools in the state. And I think we really focus on staying current with industry, which is critical, and delivering quality education to them. With our association with Hutch Community College, we've been able to purchase equipment that a lot of schools can't afford, and that has given us a real leg up on a lot of schools as far as getting students the equipment they need to go out and be competitive.
I've learned more in this class than I think I could have, and just like going straight into the business. I think being here has been more educational than I think I would have ever expected in learning how to do welding.
We were told that by the time we finish out this 2-year program that we will be completely certified to be a welder and that we are able to get a job just about anywhere right out of high school, a good paying job.
Welding is involved in about 50% of the gross national product in the United States. So about 50% of everything that's made in the United States is welded in one form or another. There's a lot of different types of job opportunities in welding. So I could be a MIG welder, or I could be a TIG welder, or I could be a stick welder. I could be a combination welder and do all those things all the time. Or I can specialize into a lot of different areas. Robotics, I can specialize into welding sales, quality control, management. You can do all those types of things.
There's a lot of different career opportunities. There's probably a lot close to people's homes or in the town. Yeah, there's quite a bit of opportunities in it.